2023 brought just a little bit of everything for Tulsa area. We were talking about extreme heat, some cold, a little bit of snow and some rainfall and some other extremes. For a look at the year in review, I'll send it over to meteorologist Michaela Smith.
2023 had a lot going on for it. So let's start off with the hottest temperature that we saw in 2023. That was 105 degrees. Now that happened not once, not twice, but 3 different times, all in August. So August 2nd, 3rd, and the 20th, we had a high temperature of 105. But it felt even hotter one day. The highest heat index that we saw in 2023 was, very fittingly, 123 degrees. And that occurred on August 23rd. And then days above 100 that we experienced during the summer of 2023 were 17. So it wasn't one of the hottest summers that we ever had, but it was definitely one that you probably will remember. Now, the coldest high temperature that we had was 24 degrees. That was back on January 30th. The coldest low temperature that we had for the entire year was only 16, so really not that bad, actually. That occurred on February 1st, but the coldest wind chill that you had was also on January 30th when you had that coldest high temperature. For rainfall for the whole year, you had about 37.28 inches, and it was a little bit below average by about 3.5 inches, but pretty close, honestly, to what we should have seen in a full year. Snowfall, definitely on the low side, only 0.4 inches of snowfall across the area. That occurred in January, just on January 30th, which again was the coldest day that we saw and that coldest wind chill. And the highest wind gust that we saw in 2023, you probably remember, was on the Father's Day storm now, where there were some reported wind gusts of 80 to 100 miles an hour. But here in Tulsa, from the ones that we can measure and we can actually verify, that occurred at Tulsa International Airport, and that broke the record for the highest wind gusts that Tulsa International Airport has had. So seeing what 2024 can bring, but 2023 was definitely a crazy year. Back to you guys.